y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with some gifts I've received over the years while doing Locksport. First, this K1 Locks clock I received. This is from my girlfriend. Behind it, you'll see that's some birthday stuff and this mask that she got for me. There's some pictures and whatnot she's also gotten for me over the years. A mask that she made. Oh, just some more pictures of us and from my stepdaughter. This here, as you can see, is a bulletin board, again made by my girlfriend. Fantastic. This is from my stepdaughters. There's a letter that I got from Southampton Lock Picking Club. Really treasure that one. And from my stepdaughter there. And this is a key holder I got from my girlfriend as well. From some driftwood that she'd found. I really treasure this one a lot. So, just a couple things that I've received over the years I wanted to share with you folks. You all mean a bunch to me, and as do the loved ones that I've received these gifts from. So, thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying Merry Christmas, y'all, and Happy New Year.